In this video, you will learn how stocks, investing, and compounding work. By the end, you will understand simple ways to start investing. This video is for educational purposes only, and we are not responsible for your investments.
Here's the problem. If your money just sits in a regular savings account, inflation slowly eats its value. That means the same $100 buys less every year. But investing gives your money a chance to grow over time. Think of it like planting a money tree. At first, it grows slowly, and this is why people who start early often end up way ahead, even if they invest small amounts. But over the years, growth starts stacking on top of growth. That's called compound growth.
A stock is basically a tiny piece of a company. Imagine a pizza. If the pizza is a company like Apple or Amazon, buying one slice means owning a tiny part of that business. If the company grows and becomes more valuable, your slice can become more valuable too. But stocks can also go down in the short term. That's normal. Investing is not about getting rich overnight. It's about giving your money time to grow. And no, you do not need thousands of dollars to start. Many apps let you begin with as little as $1.
Here's where beginners make mistakes. They try to pick the perfect stock. Instead, smart beginners often invest in something called an index fund, or ETF. An ETF is like buying hundreds of companies at once. So instead of betting everything on one company, you spread your risk across many. That's called diversification. For example, some ETFs track the entire stock market. So when the market grows over the long term, your investment grows with it. Historically, the stock market has gone up over long periods, despite crashes, recessions, and bad news. The key is consistency, not luck. Here's the beginner game plan. Open a trusted investing app or brokerage account. Start with money you can leave invested for years. Invest consistently, even small amounts. Don't panic when prices drop. Think long term. Even investing $5 or $10 regularly can build surprisingly large results over time. The hardest part is usually just starting. Investing isn't about being a genius. It's about patience, consistency, and starting before you feel ready. Because the people who build wealth usually aren't the smartest. They're the ones who started early and stayed consistent. Like, subscribe, and I'll make more videos that explain money without the confusing nonsense. Good luck.